The new truck is a 5500 with a Duramax in it. It's a medium duty truck, so it's a bigger truck. That's this truck.
Oh, golly.
So it's a bigger truck and it pulls great. So I use it most of the time to pull my equipment now. So I really don't use my 350 near as much as I used to use it because I got this truck. I'll put that on a smaller trailer and pull it with that truck. But whenever I get to the point of pulling my skid steer with a mower deck on it, my mower deck is 5,000 pounds. My skid steer itself is probably about 14,000 pounds. So now you're at 19,000 pounds. It's just too much weight.
That's a lot
too much
of
weight to pull on with a 350.
What
That truck will pull it fine. The problem I have with that truck is stopping. It doesn't stop it as good. And you know, well, your trailer's got brakes. It does. But what if the brakes go out? The truck doesn't stop it like it needs to stop it, and I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't want to take any chance because I got a lot of weight behind me, and I have to stop that truck, and somebody stops with kids in the car in front of me, and I can't stop that truck, and I kill somebody's kids because I didn't do something right. I would never be able to live with myself.
Yeah.
This truck is 3 years old.
Okay.
How many miles do you think is on it?
For 3 years, is there 60,000 miles
How
on
much?
this?
6,044 miles.
6,000. Oh, man.
I've had it for 3 years now, and I put 6,000 miles on it in 3 years. That's how much we drive it. But
It's not your daily. You're not getting groceries
know,
in it. You're delivering a Takushi to a job
Takushi.
site.
do that. If you're an employee with Takahouchi, please tell Nick how to pronounce it. And
Takushi.
you said a tushi?
It's a Takushi.
A Takushi.
Takashi?
A Takahouchi.
Takahouchi. Oh, come on.
Takahouchi.
Takushi is a
It's
lot
not
better.
Takuchi does. Takuchi does sound a little funny, but it is a Takahouchi.
Takahouchi.